Get ready to unleash your inner kawaii. Today I'm sharing my favorite tricks for doodling the cutest characters ever. It's a super easy drawing activity for beginners and anyone who wants to add some adorable doodles to their bullet journal, art journal or sketchbook. But before we continue, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fun and interesting drawing tutorials. First up, the Chubby Bird. Want to make your birdies extra huggable? Try this trick. Start with a small circle and then overlap it with a large circle. Add a little beak and tiny wings. Instant cuteness. Next, we're bringing a flower pot to life. Give it personality with bold geometric patterns and contrasting colors. And here's the secret ingredient, a tiny little face that will make you smile every time. And now for the cutest kid on the block. Remember, bigger is better when it comes to chibi cuteness. Exaggerate those features, a giant head, huge eyes, tiny limbs, and you can even dress them up in adorable oversized clothes. Last but not least, a whimsical tree that's full of surprises. Create a unique tree shape with swirling branches and playful foliage, and don't forget to hide cute little characters and shapes among the leaves. It's kind of like a mini scavenger hunt. Now it's your turn. Grab your favorite tools and start experimenting with these easy doodle tricks. And if you want some more awesome drawing tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Remember, you can also download my free doodle templates and get started. The link is in the description below. Happy doodling!